Days are long, your car won't start. It's hard to fix shit with a broken heart. I know growing up, it's not what it seems. Man, half of you is 30, half is 17. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night and day, I know things are gonna be okay. You and I are the same, ain't a thing that could change us. We're just riding a wave, play the game but it played us. No sleep, you got your eyes wide open. It's scary like a sci-fi show, and you're cruising down the I-5 hoping that for once the time will fly by slower. Wish we could live in the moment. It gets harder and harder to focus. We just ran, so it's harder to own it. So if it helps ya, I'm here with ya. Baby, don't you cry no more. I got 2 arms in an open door. Sure as there's a night.
Hi guys, and welcome to a new vlog. I don't know if this vlog is long enough to be a proper vlog, or if I'm gonna be doing like a 2 vlog in 1 video. Anyway, I think I haven't told you good morning or hi or good evening. Yeah, we were at my parents' place, as I told you in some previous vlogs, and we just came back. We just arrived to Paris, and yeah, I received an order I made. I did this order at 2/3, which is a sustainable brand. And yeah, I've been knowing them for like a while, but I fell in love with one of their sweaters, so I decided to buy one. Protect what you love. Really cool. So here is the packaging. So it's fully recyclable. They say, dear ocean lover, we are stoked that you choose 2/3. We like to think that we are more than just another green brand. We like to think of ourselves as the blue company. We strive to minimize our impact on the environment. We endeavor to be that little bit better with every day. Our constant search for improvement in our actions is to protect what we love, our oceans. Join our community of like-minded people. Share a picture of yourself, your t-shirt, the beach, or whatever it is that connects you to the ocean under the hashtag #WeAreOcean. Every project is designed in our hometown of Barcelona. Every product is made from responsible sources and crafted with love in Portugal. Which I think is really cool, guys. So yeah, I ordered a sweater. I hope it's gonna fit, because I've never ordered at their place. I also fell in love with a jean at 7, what is their name again? 7 something, which is also a sustainable brand, and I think it's really important to order at sustainable places nowadays and like forever. But yeah, I fell in love with a jean and actually a proper outfit, but it didn't have my size anymore when I look at it. But then I saw Moya, I think it was her, posting a story of it today actually. So I'm gonna check if they have it or not. But yay. I'm so happy, I really like it. You'll see tomorrow. For your knowledge, I'm usually a medium and I took a small. I will try it, but thanks to the size guide, I figured out that a medium would be a bit too big for myself. Anyway, and I also received another thing, which is a New Yorker. Yay! I ordered the New Yorker in like November during the lockdown, and I think I told you during the vlog. And this is the first issue I get. I feel like there was a problem with the other address I put on. But I've been paying in November and December and didn't receive anything. So I asked them for a discount or something. We'll see, but I'm super happy I received it. And yeah, I'll tell you about what I think about it. Anyway, that's pretty much it, guys, for now. And tonight is gonna be very chill. I'm gonna work a bit on the school project, and then we're gonna cook dinner, which are gonna be some pastas because we don't have anything in the fridge. And editing this video because I don't have any other content for tonight, I think. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So hope you enjoyed today's video, and yeah, I'll see you very, very soon.
I know things are gonna be okay.